You're in your kitchen. You reach into a dark corner of your pantry and pull out a bag of potatoes. You haven't looked at them in weeks, and now they've changed. Little white shoots are crawling out of the skin, tiny eyes staring back at you. Sprouts. You wonder, can I still eat these? Can I just cut off the sprouts? Or is the whole potato dangerous now? Your grandmother probably told you it's fine, but the internet says otherwise. What are those sprouts? Why do potatoes grow them in the dark? And could they actually poison you? Today, that's exactly what we're going to find out, right here on Story of Simple Things. Let's start with the most obvious question. What are those sprouts? Potatoes are living things. Even after they're harvested, they're still alive. They're tubers, swollen underground stems that store energy for the plant. That energy is starch. And when conditions are right, warm, dark, and slightly humid, the potato wakes up. It thinks spring has arrived. Those sprouts are the potato trying to grow a new plant. Each sprout is a baby stem. Given soil and sunlight, it would grow into a full potato plant. But in your pantry, without soil, it just grows these pale, twisted shoots. So, can you eat a sprouted potato? The short answer is, it depends. The long answer is more complicated and more dangerous. Here's the part that most people don't know. When a potato sprouts, it produces a chemical called solanine. Solanine is a natural toxin. The potato makes it to protect itself from insects, fungi, and hungry animals. It's the potato's defense system. The sprouts themselves have the highest concentration of solanine. The skin has less, the flesh has the least. But if the potato has been sprouting for a long time, the solanine can spread throughout the entire tuber. What happens if you eat solanine? In small amounts, nothing much. Maybe a little stomach discomfort. But in larger amounts, solanine causes vomiting, diarrhea, and headaches. In extremely rare cases, severe solanine poisoning can become life-threatening. So, how do you know if a potato is dangerous? Look for two things: sprouts and green skin. Green skin is a sign that the potato has been exposed to light. Light triggers the production of chlorophyll and also solanine. The greener the skin, the more solanine. The longer the sprouts, the more concentrated the toxin. Here's a simple rule. If the potato is firm and has only small sprouts, less than half an inch, you can eat it. Just cut off the sprouts, peel the skin, and cook it well. Cooking may slightly reduce bitterness, but it doesn't fully remove solanine. If the potato is shriveled, soft, or has long sprouts more than an inch, throw it away. Don't take the risk. A bag of potatoes costs a few dollars. A hospital visit costs much more. If the potato has green patches, cut them off generously. Remove at least an inch of flesh around any green area. And if the whole potato is green, compost it. Now here's a fascinating historical fact. The potato is from the Andes Mountains in South America. Ancient farmers there developed hundreds of varieties. They also discovered a clever way to deal with solanine. They would freeze the potatoes overnight, then crush them underfoot to remove the bitter toxins. The result was a white, powdery substance called chuño. It could be stored for years, and it was safe to eat. European colonists didn't learn this trick. So, when the potato was introduced to Europe in the 1500s, people occasionally got sick. Some even died. That's why the potato had a bad reputation for decades, not because the potato was bad, but because people didn't know how to prepare it. Today, we have supermarkets. We don't need to risk eating toxic potatoes. But millions of people still eat sprouted potatoes every year because they don't know the science. So the next time you find potatoes with eyes staring back at you, you'll know the truth. Those sprouts are the potato trying to live again. But the chemicals they produce can make you sick. Small sprouts? Cut them off. Peel the skin. Cook thoroughly. Long sprouts or green skin? Throw it away. A few dollars isn't worth the risk. The potato fed empires and stopped famines. But like many good things, it has a dark side. And now you know how to avoid it. If this video changed the way you look at something ordinary, hit that like button, subscribe to Story of Simple Things, and tell me in the comments. What everyday thing should we uncover next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.